When we think of food, the idea of poisoning rarely comes to mind. Yet, some everyday foods contain toxins that, if consumed in certain forms or amounts, can be dangerous, even fatal. Here are 5 seemingly common foods that can pose serious health risks if not handled or prepared properly. 1. Green potatoes. Potatoes are a staple in many households, but they can become poisonous when they turn green. The green color is a sign of solanine, a toxic chemical produced when potatoes are exposed to light. Solanine is concentrated in the skin and green areas of the potato. If consumed in high amounts, it can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headaches, and, in severe cases, even paralysis or death. Why it happens? When potatoes are exposed to light, they begin to produce chlorophyll, causing the green color, and solanine. Both are natural defense mechanisms of the plant, but while chlorophyll is harmless, solanine is highly toxic. How to stay safe? Always store potatoes in a cool, dark place. If you notice green patches on a potato, peel them away, and if the potato has a bitter taste, it's best to discard it altogether. 2. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is commonly used as a spice to flavor desserts and savory dishes. However, in large doses, nutmeg contains a compound called myristicin, which can have hallucinogenic effects and can lead to poisoning. Symptoms of nutmeg poisoning include nausea, dizziness, rapid heart rate, dry mouth, confusion, and, in extreme cases, seizures and death. Why it happens? Myristicin is a psychoactive compound found in nutmeg. Ingesting more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of nutmeg can lead to toxic effects. How to stay safe? Nutmeg is safe in small amounts used for culinary purposes. However, avoid consuming it in large quantities, especially raw. 3. Bitter almonds. Bitter almonds, unlike sweet almonds commonly consumed as a snack, contain amygdalin, a compound that can convert to cyanide when digested. Cyanide is a potent poison that interferes with the body's ability to use oxygen, leading to symptoms such as shortness of breath, confusion, seizures, and, in extreme cases, death. Why it happens? Amygdalin, found in bitter almonds, is broken down in the body to produce cyanide, a highly toxic compound. How to stay safe? Commercially available. Almonds are sweet almonds and are safe for consumption. Bitter almonds are illegal for sale in many countries due to their toxicity. If you ever come across bitter almonds, do not eat them unless they've been properly processed to remove the amygdalin. 4. Undercooked red kidney beans. Red kidney beans are rich in nutrients, but they also contain a natural toxin called phytohemagglutinin, which can be highly poisonous if the beans are not cooked properly. Consuming undercooked or raw red kidney beans can cause symptoms such as severe nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea within hours of consumption. Why it happens? Phytohemagglutinin, also known as kidney bean lectin, is present in high concentrations in raw red kidney beans. The toxin is significantly reduced when the beans are thoroughly cooked. How to stay safe? Soak kidney beans in water for several hours before cooking and boil them for at least 10 minutes to destroy the toxin. Avoid consuming raw or undercooked kidney beans. 5. Brown rice. While brown rice is often praised for being more nutritious than white rice, it can contain small amounts of arsenic, a toxic substance that can accumulate in the body over time. Long-term exposure to arsenic can lead to health issues such as cancer, heart disease, and neurological problems. Why it happens? Rice, particularly brown rice, absorbs more arsenic from the environment due to its growing conditions. Arsenic is naturally present in soil and water, but it can be more concentrated in areas where industrial pollution or pesticide use is prevalent. How to stay safe? You can reduce the arsenic levels in rice by rinsing it thoroughly before cooking and cooking it in excess water, then draining the water before serving. Moderating your consumption of brown rice and rotating other grains into your diet can also reduce your risk. Conclusion: while these foods are part of many people's diets, it's essential to understand the potential risks they pose and to handle them carefully. Proper preparation, storage, and moderation are key to preventing foodborne illnesses from these toxic foods. Knowledge is the best defense when it comes to keeping yourself and your family safe from harmful substances that may be lurking in seemingly innocent ingredients.